Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2015 Coachman VIP 520. This is a 4-berth touring caravan with the additional mid-seating and then the very generous bathroom on the back end. It's a one-owner caravan from new and it is absolutely pristine. It's immaculate. I've seen many caravans, thousands of caravans over the years to be fair, and I would honestly say this is absolutely gobsmacking for its age. I would challenge anybody to not come and view this and pick fault with it. If you were travelling from some distance away, I would happily sell it to you, or should I say take a deposit subject to viewing, and I'd be more than confident that you would come along and say, yep, based on your description and photographs and video, it is as described, it's pristine. Anyway, that's my challenge to you. Specification wise then, it's wide bodied, it's got ATC, active trade control. I'm just talking about the body width, it's 7'7" wide. Barbecue point for outdoor cooking, access to space under seats, there's power on the outside too, or at least there's access to power from the outside. It's absolutely pristine, all the graphics are all nice and bright. Inside then, the VIP, it's a flagship model, so you've got the full-size Heki roof light, full-width panoramic window, you've got the corner lighting, LED lighting, you've got the mood overlocker lighting, which you can brighten or dim to suit. It's got the darker coloured, as I describe it, the walnut effect curve lockers, so very generous storage, and you've even got access to the corner lockers too. Look, speaker system, so you've got great sound system. Chest of drawers, useful for storing your books, newspapers, games. Blinds are in a cassette system. The Easy Glide system, very slick they are too. A little bit more expensive than some. The front end then gives us a couple of options: 2 single beds, depending on how tall you are, or a double. And you slide the mechanism, which is the bottom right there, across to the left. That makes you double. As I said, you can have it as 2 singles, a double, or you can make it into one very generous single and a standard single. And if you're not sure, please come and see us and we'll be happy to show you how that works. It's got loose laid carpets, which are currently under preparation. It benefits the Alde wet central heating system, which is a bit more special, so you really can use this caravan all year round in considerable comfort. There you've got the additional seating. Look, so if one of you wants to stay in bed in the morning, your other half can get up, make a cup of tea, read the newspapers, etc. Then you've got the bunk mechanism, so it does actually make into two bunks there for the children, grandchildren if required, or dare I say it's a luxury 2-berth. Good old extractor fan, takes out the food smells, blows in some fresh air as required. You've got the cream coloured lockers there. The end locker houses the useful microwave. Loads of worktop space there, look. You've got those big deep drawers. Got a little secret cutlery drawer over the Thetford fridge. It's got the high gloss black door. Very smart it looks too. Contemporary looking kitchen sink taps. It's got the Thetford cooker unit, the hob, the grill, the oven, and the reason I've just popped the top open is because honestly, it's pristine. There's no marks on this at all. Look, even the electric hot plate, absolutely perfect. Right, door to the washroom on the back. This caravan's just arrived, so it's waiting preparations and sale bit. I don't think the valeting guys are going to have a lot to do to get this ready for sale. You've got the shower on the left, look. You've got the loo, push-button electric flush, a swivel seat, heated towel rail, care of the Alde heating system, decent sized wash basin, illuminated mirror, that's a nice touch. Double doors to the very generous wardrobe, and a couple of storage drawers there for maybe your husband, because no doubt your good lady will commandeer most of the storage space. I say that with a pinch of salt, obviously. And there you have it. It's a 2015 Coachman VIP 520. It's a flagship model within the Coachman range. Absolutely pristine. If you're looking for one of these and you're at the end of the country, whether it be north or south, I challenge you, and I do mean that, challenge you to not come and view it and say, I agree, it's absolutely pristine. It is a beautiful example, and as a dealer, I'd be more than happy to buy this, no problems at all. I sold one like it not long ago to a gentleman who, again, Based on description, photographs, etc., he did secure it by way of a deposit. He did then come and view the caravan, and he did agree with me. It was absolutely pristine. I won't mention that gentleman's name, albeit that gentleman was in the motor trade industry, so not dissimilar to what we do here, and he commented that the description was indeed very, very accurate. And if that gentleman's watching this video, you'll know who I mean. There you have it. 2015 Coachman VIP. It's a 4-berth. Unlike the new one, which is the 2018, albeit they've changed the shape of it, etc., the new one's only a 3-berth, and this is a true 4-berth. Absolutely pristine. Available here at Broad Lane, 01789 763 432. Be quick, it won't be here for long. It's absolutely immaculate. Thank you very much.